now become a member of the channel, man. If you want to join the Re-Rock Boys, all you got to do is go to my page, press join. You can give super thanks now. Whatever you guys give me is going back into the channel. You know that. I do have merch coming soon. Have a lot coming soon. I did the giveaway on Christmas. So just make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for getting me to 75K. Never thought I'd see that number by my name, ever. Still don't seem real. But we on our way to the 100K. First, we got to worry about 80K. So run it up to 80K, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and thank you guys for everything. Look, YouTube. Y'all won't believe what happened to me. It's just hard to even, okay, we're just going to get straight into it. First off, I want to thank YouTube. I want to thank Google. I want to thank YouTube recovery team. You might be asking me, why am I just thanking YouTube and what have they done? So, I want to say February 13th. February 13th, I wake up in the middle of the night, right? Wake up in the middle of the night. I don't even know why I woke up, but it's like my mind knew something was going on. I wake up middle of the night, right? Boom. I wake up middle of the night, February 13th, about 4:30 in the morning, okay? Get on my phone. I do what I normally do when I wake up. Go use the bathroom, check my daughter's room, check my YouTube, check my phone, then go back to bed. So I'm checking my YouTube. I see my boy 904 Duval. By the way, y'all check his channel out. He got some nice builds. Pretty cool guy. Check him out. He been rocking with me since the jump, so shout out to him. But I see his comment on my post, and I go to respond to his comment, right? Everything's good. Go to sleep. I wake up. I kid you not. Mind, this is like 4:30 something. I go to sleep. I wake up, and someone is live on my channel. Now, mind, how do I know? I got a lot of people who be rocking with me from where I'm from. A lot of close family members, you feel me? And people was hitting me up they messaging me on Instagram. They like, cuz, because you, what? People just hitting me up, my supporters hitting me up like, is this you? Is this you? I know you're not running a scam. I know you're not promoting a scam. And I don't know what the fuck. I really don't know what's going on. So I go to my Gmail. So like I told you, I was up at 4:30 on my phone. Boom. Around 7. I'm going to post the exact screenshots of the time to show you guys I'm not bullshitting. Around 7 something, I get a message from Google that say critical security alert, right? Mind you, I have 2-factor authentication on. I got a recovery email. I got everything, right? This at 7, but I'm asleep. So I get up, get my daughter over for school at 7:30. Boom. I look, I got a critical security alert from Google. Click on it. It's telling me to sign in. First red flag. Sign in on my account? Like, whoa. Sign in, boom. It say, someone tried to access your account. Change password. I changed the password, right? I changed the password. Damn, that just scared me. I changed the password. I go look on YouTube Studio. I refresh. My whole page says MicroStrategy. I'm lost for words. I'm talking about lost for words. I refresh again. It say sign in. Try to sign in again. Now I'm locked out my account, right? But it's sending recovery emails to my other account. So I'm changing the password. Whoever was on my page changed the password. We're just going back and forth changing the password to boom. I was completely locked out. Said something about put your key up to your phone. I'm like, I didn't even know Google had keys like that or something. So crazy, right? Boom. I'm like, damn. They got your baby. I was finna hit 80K. Boy, I just had to sit there and think about it. But you know what? My daughter, like I said, I had to get her up for school. She said, Daddy, what's wrong? I said, because I talk to my daughter like she's definitely like she know what I'm talking about. She's only 3. I'm like, they trying to steal your daddy YouTube channel. She tell me, don't worry, Dad, it's going to be okay. So by her saying that just made me feel a little bit better about the situation. I just proceeded to drop her off for school. Now I'm trying to get in touch with Google. Get my account back. This is what shocks me, right? So they tell me, hit up, everybody's telling me, people DMing me, and other YouTubers reaching out, telling me to go to Twitter and tweet to Team YouTube. So I tweet to Team YouTube, right? I say, Team YouTube, my account has been hacked. Please help me. Please help me. Please help me. And now I'm thinking, I go look at their replies. They're replying to somebody literally every time I refresh. Like, it's never like 2 seconds, 3 seconds. They just constantly replying to people. So I'm like, oh man, this ain't finna cut it. So I keep going through the recovery email on Google. I'm still trying to contact Google to get in touch with it. Get in touch with the Google agent. So boom. Then I would say probably 3 to 5 minutes later, Team YouTube replies to me on Twitter. I said, what the fuck? That's crazy. They replied to me, boom, told me what I was gonna have to do, sent me the pages to recover the channel. And basically, long story short, they got me my channel back in under 24 hours. Like I said, this happened February 13th. Valentine's Day, by the night of Valentine's Day. Well, on Valentine's Day, the channel was deleted. They deleted my channel as well, but I'm going to get into that. But I say by the night of Valentine's Day, I had access to my Google account back. The next morning, I had access to my channel. Boom. Now, how did this happen? Now, this is where I'm talking to, you feel me, my subscribers who do gun content as well. Now, I was getting tons of emails for promo, collaboration, but I don't respond to a lot. I don't answer a lot. I only answer a couple. I just ran a promotion with G-Flex. We just collab. So be sure to look out for that. If you want a G-Flex trigger, link is in my bio. Code Rerock Tactical, 20% off a G-Flex trigger. But so I talk to them. Boom, they get everything situated. Okay, fine. Boom. So 2-3 more companies hit me up, right? But then a gaming company hits me up. Rainway Gaming. I'm like, look at it. Like, this look pretty cool. So I reply, I'm like, what's up? You feel me? Send me the info. So they respond with another email. Now, mind you, I look it up. Looks legit. The email look legit. Look just like all the other ones I've ever done. Every promo I've ever done look just like that, right? So he said, you have to go to this link and download the file to sign a contract. And I straight told him, like, I don't download any files, right? But I clicked the link to see would it take me to a real website. And indeed, it actually took me to their scam website. Didn't download anything, right? So I'm thinking I'm all right because I clicked the link, but I got VPNs and stuff. So I'm thinking I'm all right. No, I'm not all right. These boys are official. I mean, what? I say probably a couple hours after that, when I went to sleep, my channel was hacked. Now, while I'm saying, all right, I got a call and had to relocate because my daughter's coming in and she had a alarm off. But I'm basically saying that to say, yes, you're going to have real companies reaching out to you, trying to collaborate, run partnerships with you. But just be careful. Like, really be careful, because I was just happy, people wanted to work with me, new to the YouTube stuff. I didn't think I was as big, or I don't know. I didn't think people would really target my channel for stuff like that. When I say like it's tens of thousands of channels way bigger than mine. So I didn't know, but I know now. So everything will be secured. I got me a Google Titan key on the way. And that's all there's going to be. But y'all make sure y'all not clicking no links or download anything. And it's crazy because I got to be the same person that hacked my channel. I typed it in. This guy is going live off like 4 or 5 other channels. I'm talking about, it's a channel with 6.5 million subscribers. All their videos have been deleted. And he's live on it. That's what he do, okay? Gets your channel, locks you out. Boom. Once he locks you out, changes everything and go live. And if he can't lock you out, he still want to change everything and go live while you still have access. And you won't be able to change nothing. You won't be able to stop the lives. Nothing. But I can say YouTube and Google works fast to get the problem handled. I'm talking about like some people was telling me to take 5 to 7 days, some weeks. They literally handled the problem in like under a day. Like, I'm actually impressed. That's why I want to say thank you to the whole YouTube recovery team. Google, YouTube, your Twitter is amazing. Like, if you got any questions for YouTube, go to Twitter and ask them, because that team YouTube account, I don't know how many people they got working there, but they be on it. Yeah. Big thanks to them. Thanks to my other fellow content creators who told me to go, you know, talk to them. And yeah, just be on the lookout, because they are running a crypto scam. And it's crazy because people said this has been happening for years. Like, I looked up some stuff on Reddit and stuff like that. They said it's been going on for years. So I don't know, man. I just know, watch out for the fake promo emails. That's all it is. Watch out for the fake collaboration emails, because, or if you do, go to the, have a computer where you're never signed in on your YouTube or Google. Okay? Like, make an email that you got on a separate computer that you don't use for none of your work stuff. Then they won't be able to get you. But me, I'm just not done. I'm done downloading. I didn't even download anything, but I'm just done clicking any links and any emails or anything like that. So really don't probably want to promote anymore. It is what it is, but yeah, crazy. Like 80K finna be gone. They deleted my channel. Like, when I got my Gmail back, I'm thinking everything good. I go to my Gmail and say, "Dear Re-Rock Tactical, we regret to inform you your channel has been deleted." And I say, my channel has been deleted. And it say channel name, MicroStrategy. But it's emailing me, "Dear Re-Rock Tactical." But the channel was named MicroStrategy. So y'all didn't know what was going through my mind. I'm just like, it is what it is, for real. I feel like if you gonna run it back up. I know I was gonna come back even harder. So hey, I ain't gonna lie. Make sure y'all go subscribe to my backup channel right now, because I ain't even playing none of that again. I don't even want to go through that anymore. Subscribe to my background channel. Subscribe to my background channel. Subscribe to my backup channel too, but I had to take a couple deep breaths. My mom thought it was a wrap, but I'm just telling her, like, you feel me, God got you. You feel me? We good, we good. YouTube though, handled it perfectly. Watch out for the scam emails. They come in all types, because I ain't gonna lie, too many companies emailed me in the first place. That was the first red flag. I'm like, bro, I don't understand why these companies would just be emailing me in the first place. So I had feelings that some of them were scams. But then it's like, you don't want to miss your blessing. You see what I'm saying? So it could be a pro and a con. All I'm gonna say is be very careful. Don't download anything. All I did was click a link. Don't even click a link. Like, no. Don't click a link. But big thanks to YouTube. Like, I thought YouTube didn't care. I thought their support was trash, but in under a day, and like the way they were responding to me, like, yes, you're going to get the automated responses, but they're really working on it in the background. So it's best to just chill, let them handle it. Provide the info you need to provide them, your IP, your videos, your last video ID, your channel URL. That's one thing I'm gonna do from now on. Every time I upload a video, I'm gonna get the video ID every time, because you're gonna need that. But yeah, man, we ain't gonna let this stop us though. We still got big things coming for the channel. I mean, big things that go boom, 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 like G-Flex trigger. Video coming soon. Please be on the lookout. Now, if y'all want to see me installing this, comment down below on this video. If y'all want to see me install this, comment down below on this video, and I'll install it on camera. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thought they had us. Thought they had the channel. Like, imagine, this is what I'm just asking y'all. Even if you don't have a lot of subscribers, just imagine you waking up and someone's live on your YouTube channel. Just imagine that. Like, imagine waking up and somebody is live on your channel. I couldn't believe it. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We will be back for more videos. Become a member of the channel. hit that bell. Yeah.